Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I'm on my way to that Backsplash job. It's for a customer who I've done work for before. A few videos ago I did the TV mount and the drain fix for him. But yeah, so I'm going to do, he has like a duplex, a front unit and a rear unit. He wants backsplashes in the kitchen area. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, I'll be hopefully finishing one per day. So 2 days of that. So a couple days of backsplashes, tiling. Have everything I need with me. So I'll see you guys at the job. Get it. Hey guys. So here's the unit here. Here's the backsplash area. They want it to come from this corner straight up and across. So I just got to move some stuff. I'm going to take off these face plates. And that should be it. This is the unit I renovated. That it was the first one I did for them anyway. It was totally gutted. Then he had me come in and fix where the other guy left off, I guess. But yeah, this is it. Little built-ins here. Barn door. These cabinets. I'm just going to tape off this edge and then I'll get back with you. All right? See you in a minute. All right, guys, so I have this pretty much planned out. It's going to be 6 and a bit of tile. I'm going to start from this edge. I already have my edge cut ready to go. There's going to be an edge banding here and then across here. Nothing over here. And then he said he didn't want one over there, so that's fine. Cut around the boxes. This is what I'm using. Acrylic Pro, standard wall and floor tile installation, just spread and set. If I can, I'll utilize this. It's kind of rainy out today, but I have my little station set up out there to cut if need be. So I'm going to get this first row in here. This counter is a little bit off. Like I said from before, I did the uppers and then the lowers. This counter is just about maybe 3/16 high over there. So there's going to be a little bigger gap over there, and it should be like flush here. But you won't know. That all gets caulked, and it'll look great. So I'm going to get this first one on, and I'll get back with you then. Alright guys, so this is that side wall. I kind of got ahead of myself there. I didn't record it, but my bad. So that's the side wall there. Now I'm just going to start this back portion here. When I do them, I cut out around the box, so it's kind of all inset and everything, but everything's looking good. I'll try to remember to put this one on on record for you. Sorry about that. Alright guys, I'm gonna just start this area. I have enough half tiles for 4 rows, so I'm gonna start on that. I just like to get it out onto the wall. Just work it down. If you have enough prepped here, you can put a lot on. if you have a cut guy also, you can it's just that much faster. All right, that's about 4. Just gonna one last little feather. All you're doing is you gotta, if you end with the half piece over here, if you end with a half piece here, I just start with a half piece so it makes it look like it's a full piece. This kind of flows nice. And you get decent grout lines too.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every night. And oh my, I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all like, hey, 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 it's all like, hey, 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 hey. You see, every day.
Alright guys, I got this portion done here. Video and recording, sorry, is harder to do than I thought with this thing. So, a lot of spacers, eh? Alright, now this is drying. I'll see what else he wants to do. I was hoping that, what time is it? It's 1:09, so I'll see what he wants to do. I'm gonna let this set for, you should wait overnight, but I'm hoping to get this grouted today. It doesn't take long to grout, so hopefully I'll get that done. All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, all right, so this is the end of day one. I finished this whole backsplash. It was a lot higher than I thought. I thought it was just a standard 18, but it's about 25 inches high, so it took me a little bit longer. It was hard to record as well. But it's all in. It's all looking good. And I'll probably bring it back for the grouting. I have the other one I'm gonna do tomorrow morning. I gotta do the other one on the other side, and then once that's drying, I can come over here and I'll grout this one. Then once that's all done, hopefully I can get back over there and grout the other one, or I'll have to come back. See how I'm feeling? You know. So yeah, the rain kind of held off. It rained a little bit on me, but my poor little saw. I guess it can't really get damaged. It's all enclosed, but regardless. It's a heck of a hill. Yeah, I remember doing this remodel. Had to build that attic entrance. He wants to make it a duplex. He wants to rent this side out. He's talking about making me property manager. So, see how that goes. But yeah, so that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when I grout, clean up, and hopefully show you a finished product. All right, get it.
Are y'all ready for this?